Okay, let's eat. Whoa! 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 Wait! Hi everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we're making beef and broccoli.
Yes, 开始now.
This is the beef and broccoli recipe that you can find at any Chinese restaurant, and now you can make it at home. You can also find the beef and Chinese broccoli recipe down in the description below if you're interested. Alright, to get started you'll need broccoli, garlic, onions, carrots, 1 egg, beef, pepper, cornstarch, baking soda, supreme soy sauce, and chicken flavoring. Oh, and almost forgot, oyster sauce, cooking wine, and sesame oil. For the prep, first we're going to smash and dice up 3 cloves of garlic. Then for the broccoli, you'll just need to get a large head of broccoli and then slice each piece by the stalks. If the broccoli pieces are too large, just cut the stalk in half and then use your hands to pull apart the stalks and the head of the broccoli. And for the beef, you'll just need to slice them into chip-sized pieces by the grain. And now, let's move on to the marinade. For the marinade, you'll just need to add 1 egg in there, 1 small spoon of chicken flavoring, one small spoon of baking soda, a small spoon of pepper, 1 spoon of soy sauce, and a small dash of water. Then mix everything together with your hands thoroughly. Then add in 2 spoons of cornstarch and mix it through. And then lastly, add in a dash of oil and mix it through one last time and you're done. Allow it to marinate for at least 10 minutes and it's ready to cook. Alright, to start cooking, we're going to add some water to a pot or wok and then add some oil, sugar, and chicken flavoring to it, and then bring the water up to a boil. Once the water's up to a boil, we're going to add in our carrots, some broccoli in there, and let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then you can take it out. And if you want your vegetables to be a little softer, you could always leave them in there to cook for a few minutes longer. Alright, now let's strain the water and let's start cooking the beef. First, we're going to heat up the pan or wok and then add some oil to it. Let the oil heat up and then slowly put your beef in. Sauté the beef for about a minute and get some color on both sides and then take it out onto a separate plate. Since we're going to cook it again later, we don't want to overcook it. Then, with the remaining oil in the pan, we're going to sauté our garlic and onions for about a minute until fragrant. gonna add in our broccoli and carrots and toss everything together for a few minutes. Then we're gonna add in our beef back in and mix the whole party together. Now add a spoon and a half of sugar in there, a small spoon of pepper, a small spoon of chicken flavoring, a spoon of oyster sauce, 2 spoons of soy sauce, and a spoon of cooking wine, and mix all the ingredients together. Let it cook for about 3 minutes while you're tossing everything together, and if there's too much liquid, you can add a little bit of cornstarch and water mixture in the middle to thicken up the sauce. Once incorporated through and you see that the sauce is thickened up, add a dash of sesame oil and turn the gas off and you're done. Grab a plate and pour this over and it's ready to serve. I hope you all enjoy.
Okay, let's eat. Whoa! Whoa!
Wait, haven't we done this before?
Yeah, but this time it's just American broccoli, so beef broccoli and Chinese broccoli.
This one is American bucket.
Yeah, it's American broccoli this time.
Yeah,
Want
beef.
some?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, well, get
Yeah.
some.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that.
No worries. You always get a new fork.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Let's try it. Mmm. It's perfectly crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. It's so good.
This isn't half bad.
Chinese broccoli good or American broccoli good? You like
Which
it?
one do you like?
They're
better?
both really, really good.
Oh, yeah.
Mhm. I recommend
Me
both of them.
too. Me too.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Mm.
Some favorite stew with it. Mm.
Absolutely delicious.
Yeah. Well, thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.